guys, welcome back to Help Wanted. Just wanted. I still don't like the hold feature. That was quite a while ago, but why? Why do you have to hold? Yo, bro, that was so intense. There is something I want to get out of there, though. I will just redo the night. Like, why not?
Settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I can tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No.
The animatronics do get a little...
Same stupid songs for 20 years. If I never got a bad, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night, too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children, and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit.
So I don't know if I meant to see anything in there because I don't.
Roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up and they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87. Yeah, it's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe. You know.
Bite of 87.
Now concerning your safety,
which one in this case?
And the night watchman here, if any. The fact that these characters,
FNAF 2 is probably the weirdest one that you can
see
think
you
of.
After hours,
like,
probably
honestly,
recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross beams, wires, and animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine having your head forcibly pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death. The only parts of you that would like to see the light of day again would be your eyeballs
because they're
mask. Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Check those cameras. Remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power. Alright.
I am sure. Alright, I just wanted to get the coins that I wanted to get. Now we're gonna work on Freddy. We've been doing a lot of working on, but yeah. Oh, frick. I forget that my triggers are the one that controls
Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item
Don't
on our star attraction.
I'll
Let's return it to the Lost and Found. Carefully grab and remove the child's hat from Freddy's mouth. Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Give it another firm tug. Good job. Now place the hat in the lost. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside. To access Freddy's chest cavity, Grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring. Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box. The music box must be removed before you can access the child's shoe. Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends. Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left. Great job. To reset the safety latch, press the button located on Freddy's endoskeleton. Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin. Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity and we'll call it a day. Oh no, you seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. A slow and even pace is recommended. 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 Crisis averted. To close Freddy's chest cavity, press the large black button on the center of Freddy's face. That concludes your time in parts and service. Your pay will be docked accordingly.
Yeah, but I dropped like 3. I didn't know what it meant by like do it carefully. Wait, what am I gonna get? I call it something Freddy. Just anything Freddy. It's even a Freddy candy. It's not even a Freddy candy bar. Huh? That's what I wanted. I wanted a Freddy candy bar. Is there even a Freddy candy bar? I'm pretty sure it's like Freddy Fudge something. Yeah, see. Freddy Fudge Bear? Freddy Fudge Bear. Go back to parts and service and Foxy. We're doing like exactly what we did last time. Literally. It's the same thing every time.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton. Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle. To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse. Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. Oh no, it looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse. Carefully, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's upper arm receptacle.
Upper arm? Oh. I was about to put it in there, bro.
Well done. The remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue.
Which one is that? Oh. Which one do you need now?
Good job. Retrieve Foxy's eye from drawer number 3. When Foxy's eye patch is fully open, place the eye back into his eye socket. Well done. This concludes all your parts and service tasks. Pirate Cove can now be reopened.
I love Pirates Cove. So he's my actual, and anything Foxy. No, anything Freddy. I'm gonna keep it Freddy. I would've Why do you have lipstick? You're a boy! You're a freaking boy! Why do you have lipstick? Oh, right, he does have lipstick. Is there? Oh. Why? Is that Glitchtrap? I was about to say, who are you? So, I don't know what this is. Oh. Barn. Why do you look like you're meant to be in this world? You look normal. Hi? I guess today is gonna be called finishing parts service. Okay.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
I know my mistake from the first
Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleat. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks. Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode. Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the blinking button again to verify your work.
It was that one.
Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day. Well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time.
See you next time. Alright, well that was easy. It was just like the other one. Anything that say. Let's go Foxy. Anything Foxy. No. Can I? I can't peek inside. I went everything Foxy. No, at least he's huggable. At least he's huggable. More than Phantom Foxy, but. Yo, where'd Glitchtrap go? Where did Glitchtrap go? He was there a second ago. Glitchtrap? Where did you go? Oh, look up. I have a plush that is a lefty. I will make sure I will hug him every day. He comes with me. Glitchtrap, where did you come from? You weren't there a second ago. Please leave me alone. Okay.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Oh.
There have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Remove all food particles from Chica's exterior and place it in the refuse bin on your right. Good job. Make sure Chica is not hiding any other treats inside her beak. To open her beak, carefully press the 2 buttons located on the sides of Chica's head. Oh no, it looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted friends. To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment restaurant-grade chemi spray to Chica's exterior. Avoid inhaling the chemi spray. Exposure to cleaning, disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result in respiratory problems, skin, or eye irritation. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
Ooh. Mr. Cupcake, you're in good hands.
Oh no, it looks like the chemi spray is no longer effective. To combat the infestation, pick them off by hand if necessary. Return the cupcake to Chica's plate. Return the cupcake to Chica's plate. Place the cupcake on the plate.
Bugs. Off of Chica's eye.
Please place the cupcake on the plate.
I don't know where the cupcake is.
Place the cupcake on the plate. Great job. Chica is ready to serve pizza and hugs to the kids again. Take a complimentary slice of pizza for a job well done.
So I wonder how you get achievements.
Go on. Take it. Delicious. See you next time.
That's a good picture. I wonder who made it. Anything Foxy, anything Foxy, anything Foxy. Can I shove it down my throat? Did I do it with Bonnie? So I know I got like an action figure, but I shoved it down my throat. He's waving again. Get out of my head. 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 Action figure. It was you. I shoved you down my throat. Bro, why are you struggling to breathe? I do this like every day, bro. This is day 2. So, yeah. In the back room, it looked like a bright light. I don't want to see that.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Let's return it to the Lost and Found. Carefully, Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Give it another firm tug. Good job. Now place the hat while we're at it. Let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside. To access Freddy's chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the Lost and Found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring. Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box. The music box must be removed before you can access the child's shoe. Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends. Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left. Great job. To reset the safety latch, press the button located on Freddy's endoskeleton. Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin. Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity and we'll call it a day.
What? How did I die? How did I die? What? How did I die? I didn't follow the instructions, you idiot. Guess maybe you're supposed to put in the other one first?
Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Let's return it to the lost and found. Carefully grab and remove the child's. Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Good job. Now place the hat in. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside. To access Freddy's chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring.
I did too fast. I just realized what I was doing wrong. I did it too fast. Trade a menu. So I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm just gonna.
Are you having fun yet? That's great to hear.
Are you having fun yet? No. Yes, I'm actually having great fun. Wait, did you move closer? I feel like he wasn't that close. I really want to do FNAF 3.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right now.
I feel like nothing happened in the first night.
Like, the attraction opens in like a week, so we had to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you, then past you, and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as a security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or makes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show.
What?
It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what
I
to
don't
do.
know why, but I would greatly want to see
Another set
that.
of drawings, always nice.
I
And
would
a
just
Foxy
greatly want to
head,
see, like,
which we think could
hey,
be authentic.
let's
Again, it might
secretly
just be
make
another
out in the
crappy
corner.
cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. So watch the
There's a
fingers.
mic.
Right now the place is basically just, you know, flashing lights and spooky props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. If we don't have something really cool by next week, then we may have to zip you up in a furry suit and make you walk around saying, boo. But, you know, like I We're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're going to take a peek.
That's just like right down there.
For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. You know, use this to reboot any systems that make you
What if it was meant to
offline.
flip up, kind of like...
In trying to make the place
I thought
feel
FNAF
vintage,
3
we may
is
have
my favorite
overdone it a
because, you know,
bit.
the most
Some of this equipment is
unique.
barely functional.
Other
I
than
wasn't
FNAF,
joking
I hate
about the
FNAF.
fire. That's a real risk.
Oh my gosh,
The most
I will
important
not
thing
be
you want to
playing
watch
FNAF
for
4.
is the ventilation.
That is
Look,
truthful,
this
by
place
the
will
way.
give you the spooks, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
Right. Don't you guys just hate Balloon Boy? Wait, where is it? 9. Yes, there's a crazy guy that keeps sending me to these jobs. Like, can you come get him, please? You have that job too? Why do you have so many jobs? But I'm trying to arrest you. But why are you? Oh, why do I still have the phone? I think the screen actually just goes black. Anything Foxy, anything Foxy. I want to guess it correctly. A candy bar would have been fun. Come on. Alright, Five Nights at Freddy's VR. Glitch trap. Is it like a visual glitch like you can't see him? Go to the price counter. No, I want to go back to the plushies. Glitch, leave me alone. I'm hugging my plushie. And this is the last hug I'll have today. Because thank you guys for watching. Oh my. Go get him. Well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna start my mouth candy now. Replay title. Oh no, please, no.
Welcome to the Freddy Fazbear Virtual Experience. Fazbear Entertainment is excited.